guys, welcome to Ireland. I'm home in Dublin for the next few days, and so for this DIY project we're going to try and work with nature because I don't have any tools or any paint or anything here with me. So this video will be a little bit higgledy-piggledy. We'll get a few things done. I'm going to try and get some Christmas shopping in as well, and we're going to try and make, I think we're going to go for a, I'm so sorry. Okay, the aim is to try and make a Thanksgiving centerpiece. So let's see what we can find. We searched high and low to try and find some dried florals from parks and hikes and of course my mom's back garden, so thank you, Mom.
And I'm all alone. I head for the highway, baby, to please my restless bones, my restless bones.
Once we had everything, it was time to dry them. So some dried quickly overnight and then others I had to use the iron to speed up the process. To do this, you're going to place some leaves flat on some paper. You're going to fold the paper on top of this and iron it. Then flip it over and iron the other side.
Me down. Babe, don't be so hard on me. Don't be so.
And you'll know it's dry if it sounds like this. So some leaves may not dry to be that crispy. It may depend on the type of leaf that you use, so don't worry about it if it doesn't sound like that. Okay, so let's begin by making our first bundle. To do this, you're going to put the florals together and then tightly wrap them with some floral wire to bunch them together.
In the arms of an angel, and be safe and warm tonight.
And then cut the ends to even it all out. Next we're going to take some string and tie our bundle to the string using either string or what I used is some floral wire. I placed two of mine closely together to get a more of a bushy look, and then make sure to tie everything tightly together and continue.
Count the score. Let's not count the score. Baby.
I left a gap in order to make room so that I can add some more stuff in between it. But if you want, you can tie yours closer together.
Ever dies. And one thing you can be sure of, honey, you know I'm not telling lies. I'm not telling lies.
And now I will add some extra florals to fill in those gaps. Again, I'll be using either some string or floral wire, and I'll be tightly tying them to either the strings or to the bundles that we've made.
I am drawn to the light. I wanna rest in the arms of an angel and be safe and warm tonight. I wanna be safe and warm, baby. Don't you go, yeah. You're all I
At the end, you can choose to either keep them straight or you can tie the two ends together to make a circle. For this, you could also add a candle into the middle if you wish. Just make sure that the candle is not going to touch the dried florals, please. This is a very simple, cheap and straightforward way of making a nice centerpiece for your home for Thanksgiving, for any event really that's coming up, just to spruce up your table a little bit. And now it was finally time for me to check out one of Ireland's largest Christmas shops. When I say we were excited to go here, oh my god, I could have lived in this shop. I know it's a little early for this, but we couldn't help ourselves. It's like a huge, huge Christmas shop.
so tall. Tell me
So excited.
one thing. Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
Imagine your house being big enough for one of these to put inside. Oh,
This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was a little bit different from usual. Keep an eye out for upcoming videos though. I have some Christmas decorations that I'm working on. I've also got a new piece of furniture that's going to come out soon. So there's a few exciting things to come. For those who celebrate Thanksgiving, I wish you all a fantastic day. And for everybody else, I will see you in the next video. Bye.